your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for.
What is up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl Sanaya Diamonds here, and again with another video. If it's the first time seeing my channel, make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe. If you haven't seen my recent videos, definitely go check them out. So also run any of my playlist videos, you guys. Help me get my watch time hours up because it's been going up and been going down. Any of these videos these playlists right here, you can click on and you can just let it run. Help a girl get monetized again, you know. But anyways, I am doing a Coach unboxing review with you guys. I recently purchased something from them. I haven't bought anything from Coach since March, really. So yeah, I want to unbox this, do a video unboxing it, and then I might even show this in the haul that I have, so you're gonna see it twice most likely. But anyways, let's unbox this. By the way, the polymer they put this in was really good. It wasn't that polymer that had those stuff coming out of them. I hate that type of polymer. It's horrible. But you guys, guess what? I got the Coach cow print Nolita 19. Yeah, I know cow print is trending and viral right now. So not only did I want the juicy one, but I wanted the Coach one. And she is absolutely stunning. Now this is a picture. As I was saying, now you know to the picture it looks slightly different, which I notice sometimes a Coach bag that happens, like especially when I bought the candy wristlet. How you see it advertised, it's not what I got. Like it's with that one, not everybody got all the colors of the candy on the wristlet. I was lucky I had all the colors on mine, but some people didn't have all the colors. It's kind of like this one. I guess when you order in this one, it either look like that or look like the picture, depending. But she is gorgeous. The quality feels amazing. It's so soft, so soft. It almost feels like calfskin, I would say. If you ever been to like a petting zoo or whatever, it literally feels like a calfskin to me. But anyways, let's take her out her little packaging. It's hard to do it with one hand, guys. I apologize. Let's see if I can just pull this. Okay. So it's a detailed, nice and brown. I realized though it's summer and they're coming out with brown bags. I would have more expect this in the fall, but I'm not complaining. Here's that. And yeah, I know I use my Nolitas as actual bags. I would get a bag extender to put this with. But here's this part. I definitely want the deer one now, so stay tuned for that if I do get it. So yeah, this. And I was just talking about how I wanted a Coach bag for the longest, like a new one. So yeah, and this I got on sale for $97. Original price was like $120, and then they went up to like $130. And I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna get it yet. I'm gonna just wait, because with the Nolitas, they drop in price. I think the lowest they drop is like $70-$80. So she is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at the details. Wish I can see how the texture is. Like the texture is so nice. Very, very nice. I don't really have any accessories for this. I only have this cowl right here from Bath and Body Works. I can put on it when I do use it. I don't know. What do y'all think? I only have that. Let me see if I can clip it. Okay, I can clip it on one hand. But yeah. What do y'all think? Are y'all picking this up? Not. I really love the details of this. I'm very much into animal print. I still don't have a snake print bag, and I don't know why. Like, I need a snake print bag. There's the pockets. Yeah, I need a snake print bag. It's just one of the snake print bags that I wanted for Michael Kors, it was gone immediately. Oh yeah, also check your bags for this. Anytime you buy from Coach with this bags, wallets, check for this, because time and time again, this has made me embarrassed because they freaking leave the alarm on the bags, even when you like order online. It's mad annoying. So here it is, the name. So here we go. It is very pretty. Very pretty. Love her so much. But yeah, if you're into cow print or animal print, definitely pick this up or pick the deer one. The deer one is really pretty too. The deer design is like something I've never seen any other brand do before, so the fact that Coach did that, I was like, that is interesting. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, you may see this appear in my haul again. Maybe by then I'll have like some accessories or whatever for it, but right now I don't. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.